drive by. And then this is the second stage of this vision. That's a theater, not inaugurated yet. The tower is a business tower. It's going to be offices and, you know, hotel, luxury, you know, restaurant and different things. And there will be few.
We're coming up to some of the royal guards here. They said we can take photos of them. So yeah, you get a picture taken next to them here. They look very good. Very good, and the horses are here. So they're very nice here and everything. So they're very good. He's got a nice horse. He's nice there and everything. Right here, he's right in back of me here. So there we go, right next to the horse here. So we can get him in back of me. He's right here in back of me. Okay, and one man travel. There you go. All right. I'm right here in front of the Royal Guards, and there's some nice uniforms and nice horses and everything here. We got great guides, a beautiful sunny day and everything here. So we're very thankful for being in Morocco, December the 15th, 2023. So see us all later, and thanks a lot for viewing. Bye-bye.
And come to Morocco,
come
everybody.
to Morocco. It's always good. Thank you. And we're going to go inside here, inside this area here. So as we go in, you see all these posts and everything here. Look at all these, like there used to be something here that they have all these pillars here. Like there used to be a building here, maybe. A mosque. Oh, and it was torn down or something, and this is all that's left of it. Yeah.
They look like Roman columns.
Yeah, Roman columns. Look at that. Old stuff. Still got good mortar in it and everything there. Okay. Look at that. They're all over. So parts of an old wall up there too, and they have where the mosque are. They said it's always square inside there. So look at all this here. Yeah. Well, we're going to go inside this mosque here, and we have the guard here, and it's beautiful. If you look at the top there and everything, I'll let the other folks take a photo before I walk up there, and we'll go up by the guard. Okay. Okay, it's very nice here. The beautiful tiles on the ground here and everything. Everything's looking good. We'll be able to go inside, and my friend is okay. And beautiful costumes here, and I'm on here too, next to the guard. We're going to go inside, and it's going to be beautiful, and we can look out over here and see the outside from up at the top here. Well, we're inside now. There's the mausoleum where people are buried. I forget who they are, but I can look it up later and see. They got all the flags around there. We can't walk down there, but we can walk around on the outside here and see everything down here. And we have beautiful ceiling. Look at that, all the way up there. They got almost like lights up there, but I think that's maybe lights. It's all well maintained. The walls are beautiful. And we have the guard here. Sukran, thank you, thank you. And on the walls here, all these tiles. Look at this, how close up that is there. It's beautiful. We come down here. We'll do a little walk around here. We have an ornate door here and everything. Look at that. And we're still walking down here. So down here, it's all beautiful here. We have guards on the side here. And we come out. There's another little outside there if you want to go, with the sunlight coming right in, right down there on the bottom. And we come around here on the other side. Hello. I won't get the kids in there. It's very nice. They got like a book, the Quran or something there. I'm not sure. Down at the bottom, the rugs down here. Very nice, very well kept here and everything. Yeah, another opening to the outside, another guard out there. So yeah, here it is. Very beautiful here, well maintained. Looks very nice. Just came out of up there. We're going to walk out here now. These are all the ruins. There used to be a mosque here, and they told the story of it, that there was a roof on here and then the earthquake came and knocked it down, so they left a lot of the pillars. They're restoring the wall there. So I'm going to do a little walkabout. We got a couple of minutes before we have to head up to the other side there. I got to watch where I'm walking because I don't want to trip and have another fall here. Okay. Right here is people try to climb up on there, some kids and everything, but they kind of restored, like I said, the mosque here. But it's right in back of me. I'm walking all around here and everything. So we'll see if I get some pictures with my friends here. Can I get some pictures with you here? Can I get pictures? Can I say hello, hello, hello everybody. Hello, my friends here. Thank you so much here. So, okay, bye-bye. I met some local people. There's an old wall down there. It's left. Getting a little warm out here now. I may have to take a layer off here. But we got 5 minutes left, so we're gonna walk our way back. That's where we were up there. Coming down here, some of these old ones here that maybe from Roman times or something. I don't know here, but look at that. All right. Okay, look at this, the old wall up here. You could have kids like to climb up on these things here. They had a good time there. And yeah. All right, walking up toward the other end, another place up there. All right, it's pretty much all pillars here that you see. And as we do a 360 here, I'm going to do a 360, come around here, all the pillars. And yeah, we'll do one here, coming around here. You got that spiky thing down there. I'm not quite sure what that spiky thing is, but there's a flag up there and palm trees and whatever here. So yeah, there you go. There's the 360. And of course, Shadow Man down there. Hello, Shadow Man. Makes an appearance in all the vids there. Okay. This is another one. There's the one we were in. And this one's blocked off. You can't go in. But the architecture is beautiful in there. So, but we got to head back out. Oh, look at all the birds. There goes all the birds there. Yeah, just caught them. There you go, making their rounds. They're all going up the top, all the pigeons. Okay.